Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about solar system. Let's start the video. Do you know that our solar system is in which galaxy? Yes, our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Our sun is a star and all the planets around it are part of galaxy known as the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a large group of stars, gas and dust bound together by gravity. They come in a variety of shapes and size. The Milky Way is a large, bad spiral galaxy. All the stars we see in the night sky are in our own Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky when you see it in a really dark area. See the picture. It is a picture from NASA. This is the picture. This is Milky Way galaxy. This all. So, all of you ask that tell me more about galaxy. I will tell. It is very difficult to count the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy from our position inside the galaxy. Our best estimates tell us that the Milky Way is made up of approximately 100 billion stars. These stars from a large disk whose diameter is about 1 lakh light years. Our solar system is about 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. We live in the suburbs of our galaxy. Just as the earth goes around the sun goes around the center of Milky Way galaxy. It takes 250 million years for our sun and the solar system to go all the way around the center of Milky Way galaxy. Now the next. All of you take a screenshot because it is very important about our solar system. Take a screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I am starting the class. Let's know about solar system. All the planets. There are totally 7 planets. There was also a planet called Pluto, but now it is inside the black hole. Now this is a star. This is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. Third is our Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You should remember it as Mercury for my, then Venus for very, for Earth, educated, for Mars we have mother, it's mother. For Jupiter, just. For Saturn, third. For Uranus, us. And for Neptune, noodles. So, my very educated mother just served us noodles. You have to remember our solar system like that. Let's see more about our first planet, that's Mercury. Let's see. So, let's see about our Mercury. Mercury closest to the sun. Mercury is the first planet closest to the sun. Okay? So mark it. Most extreme temperature fluctuations in the solar system. The smallest planet is Mars. Survived impact with giant asteroid. Mercury's crazy orbit. Mercury has ice. View this ice. Here you can see ice in it. Here. It has a huge iron core. It is covered with iron. A NASA probe mapped Mercury's entire surface. This is the entire surface of a Mercury. Also NASA probe mapped Mercury's entire surface, full surface of Mercury. Now let's see about Venus. For a really strong greenhouse effect, we should look at Venus. For greenhouse effect, with greenhouse effect. Venus is similar to Earth in terms of size and mass, but its surface temperature is about 460 degrees Celsius. Think about that, 460 degrees Celsius. This is hot enough to melt lead. The Venusian atmosphere is mainly made up of carbon dioxide. In Earth, we are using oxygen. In Venus, there is carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Let's see about our Earth. Earth is the third planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. You know, Earth is the only planet where life exists. About 29.2 degree of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. 29% is about continents and islands. See that, 29%. So, is the third planet an astronomical planet? Let's see about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. The first smallest planet is called Mars. The first is Mercury and the second is Mars. Being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The Roman god's name, and it's called the red planet. It's called the red planet. Its gravity is 3.721 meter second. Distance from sun 227.9 million kilometer, and its surface area 144.8 million kilometer square. Length of day 1 DOH 37 meter. Orbital period, it is 687 days. Let's see about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000 the mass of Sun. See, it is a gas giant. What is the meaning of gas giant? Full of gas. Is called a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times of the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly larger than 1,000 mass of Sun. Let's see about Saturn, which contains the beautiful rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. The largest planet is Jupiter. After Jupiter, the second largest planet is Saturn. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times of Earth, guys. See here, 9.5 times of Earth. Its average radius is. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Okay, let's see about another planet that's called Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference of the Greek god of the sky, Uranus, who, according to Greek mythology, was the great grandfather of Ares, grandfather of Zeus, and father of Cronus. It has the third largest planetary radius. The third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Let's see the last planet, which is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known solar planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter. The third most massive planet and the densest giant planet is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Okay, so now all the planets have a name. Let's see their name. Okay, first let's start with Jupiter. Its name is largest planet. For the name Mercury, it's the smallest planet. Next, we see the Venus. Yes, its name is greenhouse effect planet. Let's see the name of Earth. It's life existing planet. Okay, let's see the other one. This is Mars, and it's the red planet. The next, Jupiter. It's the largest planet. Saturn is called the ringed planet. Ringed planet. The next, Uranus, is just called the seventh planet. It's called just the seventh planet only. Next, Neptune. This is called as the. It has two names. One is oldest planet and farthest planet. Okay, now it's the very funny question time. Let's see what's question for today's question. Which planet is called as the morning star and evening star? Which is that? Is it Saturn, Venus, Earth, or Mercury? You should write in the comment box. Okay? So, the previous in the science question, the answer for the previous question, the question was defined. Define threshing and winnowing. So the correct answer for threshing was the process of separating grains from its stalk is called as threshing. The process of separating a component from a mixture is called winnowing. Okay? Let's see that. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share my channel. Thank you all.